Arabic Alphabet Part 1, Lesson number 5. Today I'm going to introduce to you the last 7 alphabets in the Arabic alphabets. Let's get into it. Next is the next 7 letters of Arabic alphabets, and they all start with Mim. Mim, as you can see on the board there, that's Mim. Nun, Nun. Wow, wow. Ha, ha. Ya, ya. Lam alif, lam alif. The last one is Hamza. That's little thing there. That's Hamza. It plays a very, very big role when it comes to writing, especially in the Quran. This letter plays a very, very big role. Okay, now let's look at examples how these letters sound in English. As you can see, mim, mim, it's pronounced as mim, and it sounds more like M. Noon, pronounced noon, it sounds more like N. Wow, pronounced wow, and it mostly sounds like W. And ha, which is pronounced ha, sounds more like H. In ya, and please look at this letter. It's got 2 dots at the bottom. 2 dots at the bottom. I think that's the first one that we see with 2 dots at the bottom, and that's ya. It's normally pronounced as ya or Y. Sounds more like Y. And we have lam alif. So this one here is a special letter. It's a combination of 2 letters, lam and alif. As you can see, this side here, that's your lam, and when it comes from the top here down, that's your alif. So it's called lam alif. It's a very, very important letter because it plays a very big role when it comes to Arabic uh, literature or Quran. And last one that we have here is Hamza. This is Hamza, and that's how we pronounce it. It's Hamza. Very simple. This and Aleph, they normally act together. Where you don't find Aleph, you will find this Hamza on, and it acts more like A. All right. Now let's recap all the letters that we have learned so far. I want you to repeat after me. Alif, Ba, Ta, Sa, Jim, Ha, Ha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Wow, Ha, Lam Alif, Hamza, Ya. Now we have come to the end of all the letters of Arabic alphabets, all the 28 of them. Practice them, and I hope you have enjoyed this part. I would like to see you more in the next lessons, where now we're going to introduce some vowels for these letters. Please don't forget to subscribe. Wassalamu alaikum.